Come on. Grandma, it's your favorite granddaughter.
Grandma.
Oh, Grandma forgot to pay the electric bill. Wait, I forgot a light. Science.
I don't. Why
I
is it
got
so
the-
dark?
Grandma forgot to pay her electric bill, okay?
Oh, shoes. Yeah, where's... Hold on, guys, I got it.
Hey, I found the fortune teller in this garage. Ooh, there's a cross. Oh, why am I running? I cannot stop running.
Did I do the lights? No.
Yeah, the lights are on, Long for eternal release. Oh man, Grandma was suffering. Oh, Minty, the lights are flickering, be careful.
I don't think it likes to talk.
Grandma isn't a very talkative woman, sorry.
Far away.
I gotta talk just to protect you.
I think we gotta spirit box talking.
Oh, I got an EMP reader. Okay, so it's low in here. She's not in here that well. Oh, over here. Try in here. Alright.
Are you far away? Wait, turn your flashlight off.
Oh, okay, it's at a 1. It's at a 1 again. She left. It's my childhood room.
Okay, it's
Oh, okay, so it's not. Oh, it must be my cousin.
Oh, wait, it's dropping here. The painting. What painting?
Oh, she pressed to impress. I knew it.
Not expecting that.
There's an emo anime girl right behind you. I hear whispering. Careful.
We're at 2.
What?
We're at 2 Celsius.
Okay, so this is dangerous. She's making noise. I don't think she wants us in her room anymore.
Like that. Wait, what's in here? Never mind, it's a closet.
Hey, wait, Minty.
Yo, what's up?
Minty, I found something.
What'd you find? That was a close one.
Hey, I'm a closeted person. Get it? Well, I'm not in the closet anymore. Okay, so this is a family home, so we're gonna have to guess that the ghost is either a child or a teenager, based on these rooms.
Or a grandma.
No, it said young. I think Grandma's still alive. I don't know whose funeral I went to last week. Oh, she got
the little.
It's
I like the little doll.
Oh, it's the beacon.
I like the doll here.
Yeah, I like the doll. Oh, hey, we got a 2. Oh, we got a 1. Okay, nope, she's not in bed. She doesn't want to go night-night. Let's check another room.
What was that?
We got a 1.
A 1?
Wait, down here. Oh, we got a 2, so it's upstairs. Hold on.
Hey, what's up? I'm almost in the negatives up here. Or is it in the basement?
We got a 3. We got a 3.
Something's going up. Something is coming up.
Minty, I don't think we're safe. Here, I'll use this cross. I'll protect you. I was your bodyguard when they were. Okay, wait. Okay, so what evidence do we have?
We have spirit box. I don't have the UV thing to check her hand.
I got a flashlight. You guys stay safe from here. Minty? Minty, do you have enough space in your inventory?
What?
Do you have enough space in your inventory for this cross just in case?
No.
Okay, here, you hold the cross, okay? You can use that. You use that for safety. Oh, we got footprints! We got footprints!
Okay, nice.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the flower pot. Oh no, we got flowers.
Wait, withered?
No, they haven't. Okay, so this ghost isn't necessarily aggressive because it hasn't attacked us yet.
You say yet. I'm gonna go down in the basement real quick.
Yeah, I'll come with you. Okay,
It's
so
definitely in that room.
it's gotta be a child. Because the child is children
Slow
go
them
through.
down. Oh,
I think he likes the dark.
I don't think it likes darkness. It like literally disappeared.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm loud.
What?
Minty!
What's up?
Minty found something!
What?
Bidget's been
Oh my goodness. There's a doll there.
There's what?
There's a doll there. Hello?
Oh, it's a creepy doll.
It stepped in the salt. Oh. Was that a ghast? What was that? Hello?
God.
Bye, I'm gone.
Let me out!
Wait, what?
Okay. I'll take the risk. If I die, remember me.
Alright, goodbye.
Sarah!
Oh my god, that was so funny. Bruh.
So funny.
Can we eat them? I don't know. The way Alsec runs in, immediately gets chased.
Oh my god!
What refrigerator? Stop sign. What stop sign?
I died! Why am I alive? How am I alive? Minty, am I stuck in a time loop?
You're alive.
I'm alive!
That's me.
Okay, so, the demon I saw kind of had red and orange eyes. Wait, it was a creepy doll from the room! Wait!
You take that creepy doll. So it's not a
Turtle point! This place doesn't have power, Minty, I need a flashlight.
I don't got a flashlight.
Give me that. Minty! No, don't go after me, go after her, go after her! Go after her, go after her!
Bruh, it sounds like genuine terror.
Let me the frick out! Let me out! Let me out!
journal real quick.
What keeps coming back?
I don't know. Wait, where's the journal? Oh, it's a journal. It's a journal. It's a
I
journal.
should not be alive, Minty.
Another spirit. I don't know why you're back again.
I don't know. Just let me die.
Okay, this is not a child. That ghost is not a child. I swear, I've seen it twice. It has horns. That ghost is not a child.
Get the camera.
Minty, I can't hear you.
It was right there.
Why are you breaking it down, Odysseus?
It's right there.
Minty, do not
Alright.
go inside. If you see this monster, you will cry.
I've yet to be jump scared. Alright,
I got killed twice. The ghost has beef with me. Okay, wait. Who do we know who the ghost is?
spirit.
Okay, so it casts out things that we don't know. Okay, so Temperance, ghost right. Yep, it's a spirit.
Yep. Y'all got that spirit?
I'm actually shaking, Minty. It's a good shaking.
Not me.
When I got jump scared the second time, I actually dropped my phone. Why do I hear an
I like to sing it all day